Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by protecting your work. Backup projects to SD or cloud so nothing is lost. Once done, make sure Alight Motion and your device OS are updated to compatible releases. Mismatched versions often crash. Next, clear the app cache and, if needed, app data for a fresh state, and free RAM by closing background apps so the editor has headroom. These first actions resolve most instability and prepare the device for reinstall or deeper fixes. You should fully uninstall and then reinstall Alight Motion from the official store to clear corrupted binaries. After reinstalling, grant required permissions, storage, microphone, and overlay, because missing rights can cause silent crashes. Also disable battery saver, low power modes, and background restrictions for the app so Android or iOS won't kill rendering threads. If you use an SD card, move the app to internal storage or adjust storage settings. These steps stabilize rendering and file access during export. You finish by testing a small sample project to confirm stability. Export a 720p clip with few layers first. If that works, gradually increase resolution and effects. Lowering resolution or reducing simultaneous effects often eliminates crashes tied to GPU memory. Finally, if problems persist, enable in-app logs or safe mode to capture errors and consider sending logs to support. Tip: if the app still crashes, try a device restart.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.